Hi, hello guys, welcome to the channel. This video I will show you how to remove a symbol or how to just extract the alphanumeric on Google Sheet cell. So this one is really useful for you if you are creating slug of your website or URL of your website. So here how to do it. What you have to do is using REGEXREPLACE. This one is a function of regular expression and then replace, and then of course I will click the text, the B4, and then you can add open the quotes, and then you can add uh this bracket, and then you can put this symbol. I don't know what it called in English, and then I put A to A in capital and then lower Z, which means it will be fine from A, B, C with capital, and then continue until A, B, C, D until Z, the lower alphabet. And then the first symbol here, or this power symbol, I think the power symbol means not A and A to Z. And then don't forget to put 0 to 9, just simple like this. And then you close the angled bracket and then close the quotes, and then you can replace it into nothing, which is double quotes immediately. So I close the bracket and then see what the result. I will make it wrap text for you. Oops, I will make it like this. Wait, see, this is the just another example, blah blah blah, with symbols. And then when I extract or I replaced all the symbols and only extract the alphanumeric, the alphabet, and then the numeric. But the problem is the space is gone. So how to make how to maintain the space character on this method. What you have to do is you go to this A4. See, this is the A4, the original one. You go to replace A4, all the spaces like this, into some things that like a code or password or any unique string or any unique alphabet. For example, I won't put it ABC XYZ like this, and then close the bracket and hit the enter. Oops, wait, replace blah blah blah, I mean substitute, not replace, substitute. Hit the enter. Now you can see this is what ABC XYZ is. ABC XYZ lorem ABC XYZ. Can you get it? Now I will replace again all the ABC XYZ, this one, into space. So I put substitute. Oops, substitute all the text, and then search for the ABC XYZ XYZ, and then replace it in with space. Hit the enter, and then I will drag it to the bottom like this. See, just another example, blah blah blah, and then here the cleansing of only alphanumeric. Just another example, blue ABC, blue pack, and so on. Okay, that's it. This maybe a little bit complex tutorial. If you're not understand yet, you can repeat, watch this video, and then if you think this content is helpful for you, you can click thanks on down below. We will really appreciate that. Thank you. Bye bye.